All right, so we're going to start with a quick review, and we are on the GOLD Foldable, and we are at the bottom, which says left front, just to give you an idea of where to look for this. And we are looking at problems A and B when the vertex is on the center. Okay, so our first part we're given here is that we are given a central angle that is 47. So I would know that this corresponding arc is 47. I also know that what I have between this angle here and this angle here is a linear pair. So I'm going to take 180 and subtract 47, and that is going to tell me that this angle in here is going to be 133. And since that is a central angle, then I would know that this arc is 133 also. If I look, then what is over here is a semicircle. So the degrees there would be 180. That would complete the 180, 133, and 47 to give us 360. And so the corresponding arc here would be 180. So let's look at what we're looking for. We're looking for the measure of arc EO. So EO would be this right here, which we know is a semicircle, and that's going to be 180. The next one we're looking for is OY, and so that's from here to here. And once again, if we knew this was 47, we know this has to be 133 to make that 180. And so from O to Y, this arc out here, that is going to be 133 degrees. And then the last one that they're asking for on this one is the measure of arc YEO. So YEO. So all of this. So it's going to be the 180 of the semicircle plus the 47 of that central angle, and that is going to give us 227 degrees. If we look over here at problem B, it tells us the measure of angle EDG is 150. So we're told that this is 150 right here. And it also tells us that the measure of arc BE is equal to the measure of arc BG. So we know that this is equal to that. Now, what we know is that if those are equal, then these central angles must be equal. So if the whole circle is 360, if I take that 360 and subtract out 150, that is going to leave me with 210. And if I take that 210 and divide it into 2, that is going to give me 105. And so that's going to make this 105 and this 105. So that's what we can get from the information that was given to us. Let's look at what we're looking for. So it asks us to find the measure of angle EG. So, arc EG. So E to G, okay. Central angle is 150. The arc is going to be 150. The next one they're going to ask us for is the measure of arc AK. And so A to K. We were able to find this central angle to be 105. We did that with this work down here. And so now I know that that corresponding arc is going to be 105. And then let's see, the last thing that they're asking us to find is arc ACK. So asking us to go all the way from A to C to K. And so we can either add together the 105 and the 150, or we could take the 360 and subtract out the 105. That would give us the same thing, but we're looking for an answer of 255 degrees there.